It's Greenwood Furnace State Park. 25 degrees, Lovey, an old dude, and the Chestnut Spring Trail right over there. Got my Canada mittens on to start with. How about you? You look like you got some good gloves there.
I do, but I gotta take them off to film.
I also have gloves in my back pocket. Chestnut Spring Trail. It should climb a little bit, and on the latter part of our loop we'll be descending. But I don't think we're headed toward any view. Should be something nice when we get back down to the bottom of the loop, though. I'll leave that as a surprise. Now we're on the Dogtown Trail, going downhill. And there's some icy spots, aren't there?
Yeah.
Coming pretty close to Greenwood Lake, I guess, which I assume is formed by a dam here. So at the end of the Viantown Trail, which we intended to take, but we sort of missed a turn somewhere, and we came down the road there. Here was our target anyway, the Lakeview Trail, with Greenwood Lake on our right here. Micro spikes would be somewhat helpful coming down that slope right there, but not entirely necessary today. Not helpful in most parts of what we've done. On the other side of the lake is this table and this observation deck. I guess this is where we're going to have lunch. So today I decided my extra water I would put in a sack with a hot hands to keep it from freezing, because I didn't know how long we'd be out. Maybe it wasn't necessary because the water that I've had handy is fine. Alright, so we're going to get some olive oil in the skillet. Alright, so are we ready? We got the olive oil heating up in the skillet, and there's a potato for each of us. Okay, some fresh green beans.
Ooh.
And the main course is yellowfin tuna medallion for each of us. And season it all with some Japanese 7 spice.
Ooh, that sounds good.
So would you want to cut these potatoes up?
Sure.
So we're having yellowfin tuna, some fresh green beans, and taters with Japanese 7 spice. Nothing like cooking a full hot meal in 25-degree weather. All we need is some wind and snow while we're doing this. We can hear something going on under there. Oh yeah. Smells good too. You like my skillet lid?
Yeah, I do.
Now I don't object to having a little Gouda appetizer or something. Yeah.
There's different
What all you got there?
This is different types of cheeses. There's Gouda, sharp cheddar, Monterey Jack, and something else. And then this is Lebanon Valona. This is Genoa Salami, and that's Monterey Jack.
Nice.
Some of the
I love Gouda cheese.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
I think this light yellow one is Gouda.
Really?
I think that's it right there.
Yeah. Okay. One of them's cheddar, so I don't know.
The green beans also need to get in the oil a little bit there.
It'll be frozen before it gets to the plate.
All right, lunch is served. Lovie's, it's like a fancy plate that, you know, so look at that placement. Oh, that's awesome. Just call me the state park chef. Oh, that's good. Yeah, let's take a look at the Founders Pavilion. Of course, you got your 2 grills here. Lots of picnic tables. These wonderful big log posts and cross beams, I guess you'd say. And this one's got electric. Check it out. Nice. I guess now's as good a time as any to give you a little reminder of our gathering May 16th at Black Moshannon State Park. And we're going to be gathering at Pavilion number 5, which is bigger than this one as I recall. I don't think it has the stone fireplace, but it does have electrical outlets like this. I think there are, so this one has 8 outlets altogether. I think maybe that one has 12, and they're not all in the same place as I recall. So going by memory, and I didn't film when I was there to do recon, but anyway. Well, back at the car now for a little after-dinner coffee. Cheers. Fingers and toes were getting a little bit chilly. I guess the state park has a lot of history and a lot of interesting historic locations and sites. It's got like a walking tour, I think. But we'll have to explore that another time. You can take a walk through historic Greenwood Furnace.
Yeah, it's a real
Is this
neat
the picture you're talking about?
No, it was a...
All right, well, it was a lovely winter hike, and it was a great lunch, and then we had our coffee, and hey, I call that a successful day. How about you?
I do too, yep, absolutely. It was a great time. The trails were a little icy, but I love walking in the snow, and you know, I had a great time. It was a nice park. Wish I could explore more of it, but you know.
Me too. Thanks, Lovie.
Thank you
and
for
we'll see you
inviting
next
me.
time.
I will see you next time.
All right.